Well, let me tell you about Vermonton. It's a beautiful little town. It's got about 1,600 people, and it is very vibrant. For a small town, it's got just about every aspect of commerce you would need for day-to-day living. We've got a superb little supermarket. We've got, in addition to that, 2 bakeries, a butcher's, pharmacy, a medical centre, a veterinary establishment just around the corner, banks. So just about everything you want, as well as cafes, restaurants, everything is here. So it's a little microcosm. It's a little town in its own right. It's also it's in the middle of a number of interesting places. So if you look north, you've got Auxerre, only 25 kilometres away. Chablis is only 25 kilometres away. If you go south, you've got Avalon, again about 25 kilometres. These are all beautiful cities. There's a famous city called Vézelay, which is a hilltop town where 2 of the Crusades started, with a fabulous basilique. So we are literally surrounded by beautiful medieval towns and villages. Right, let me describe the house to you. It has been built over various centuries. We think that it started in the 16th century with a stone staircase, which you will see, and there are other additions over the centuries. On the ground floor, it's got a superb salon with lots of lovely features, and including wooden floors. In fact, there's wooden floors throughout the house, beautiful parquet, and fireplaces. We've got a lovely dining room which will seat easily 15 people around a large table, and a kitchen closely attached to that. And also on the ground floor we've got another main kitchen and a nice downstairs bedroom and lounge for people who don't want to climb stairs. And it's the main house with 4 big bedrooms upstairs, all en suite. And then we've also got 2 separate parts of accommodation, a small flat at the back of the house with its own little courtyard, which we developed for our son so he could have his own little space when he came to see us. And we've also in more recent years developed another apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, across the other side of the courtyard above our garage. And the whole lot is about 388 square metres of living space, excluding the courtyard and such like.
The last thing that we haven't mentioned is the fantastic attic. It has wonderful facilities for renovation, which will make probably, I would think, 2 or 3 large rooms. It has wonderful tomettes for the floor and wooden beams galore in the ceiling. If you like our house, the way to really see it is to come and visit, and we'd be absolutely delighted to show you all these features. You'd be most welcome, and I hope that we see some of you in the very near future.
And we'd love to welcome you to Burgundy and show you a little bit of France that a lot of people don't know about. It's a real gem.